In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to perform cleaning and maintenance on a Bush Cordless Vacuum. The frequency that the filters should be cleaned will depend on how much you use the vacuum. For maximum efficiency, the filter assembly should be cleaned every time the dust container is emptied. We also recommend cleaning the filters if you notice reduced suction power. Before performing any cleaning and maintenance, unplug the vacuum. We recommend wiping the outside of the vacuum cleaner with a damp cloth and then wipe dry. Do not use detergents or solvents, as these may scratch or damage the surface. Additionally, do not immerse the vacuum body or cable in water. When the dust container reaches the max line mark or suction power is reduced, it is time to empty the dust container. Position the dust container over a bin and press the release button. Once empty, close the flap. To clean the exhaust filter, turn the cover anti-clockwise and lift it away from the vacuum body. Slowly rotate the vacuum until the filter falls into your hand. Next, remove the sponge from the HEPA filter. Rinse the HEPA filter and sponge under running water and leave it to dry thoroughly. Place the sponge around the HEPA filter and fit it back into the vacuum. Then, place the cover onto the vacuum, ensuring that the unlock symbol is in line with the arrow on the vacuum body. Then, turn in the direction of the locked padlock symbol. It is important to clean the sensor in the suction base regularly. To ensure that it functions correctly, use a soft dry cloth and move it around in the suction base of the vacuum. To clean the pre-motor and cyclone filter, hold the bottom of the dust container and press the release button. Hold both sides of the cyclone filter and remove it from the dust container. Then, lift the pre-motor filter away from the cyclone filter. Tap both of the filters against a bin to remove any stubborn dust. Then, rinse them under running water. Ensure that both filters are completely dry before refitting. To refit, place the pre-motor filter back into place on the cyclone filter. Then, align the tabs on the cyclone filter and place it back into the dust container. You can now slot the dust container back into place. Finally, to clean the roller brush, press the release button and turn the tab on the side of the brush bar upwards to access the brush. You can remove hair or threads from the roller brush with scissors. We do not recommend using water to clean the brush. Once clean, refit the brush roller and secure into position by rotating the brush head downwards to lock. Your Bush Cordless Vacuum is now ready to use.